During my 3 years of long pain, I went to when I recall one of my doctors saying to me that he said that mitochondria is the secret to your energy levels. And of course, I was curious after that, and I did talk to a naturopath about a year later, and um, looking for a supplement that would give me more energy, and he recommended MitoForte, which I gladly bought because I trusted his expertise. So I noticed that between 6 weeks and 2 months of taking the product, I recall one sunny day I was standing in the garden and I suddenly realized that I had I felt alive again. I had my energy back. It was like a core energy that I knew so well and I knew I could go forward now. I could make it. And so it was like a really good boost for my healing journey. And I really appreciate MitoForte's ingredients that have helped me in that regard. So I highly recommend the product for those people who have energy deficits for whatever reason. This is the product that has really helped me enormously. And I'm hoping that you would have as well success with it. That's all I have to say.